What if I told you that in the year 2025, someone finally did it? No, not Tesla, not Rivian, not Ford. I'm talking about a company you've never heard of, Slate. This little EV startup from Indiana just looked at the entire electric vehicle industry and said, yeah, nah, we're not doing any of that. No giant screens, no autonomous driving hype, no overpriced gimmicks, and definitely no six-figure sticker shock. Introducing the Blank Slate, a truck so simple, it makes your grandpa's pickup look like a spaceship. We're talking manual windows, no infotainment, and a build-it-yourself attitude so raw, even IKEA would be like, whoa, slow down there. And the price, $25,000. Let that sink in. In a world where even used cars now cost more than your college tuition, Slate is building a brand new electric truck, from scratch, for less than the average clapped-out Corolla. And they're not just cutting corners. They're reinventing the entire car-making playbook. Gone are the fancy paint shops, the chrome badges, the touch screens you never asked for. Slate stripped it all down to the essentials. 600 parts total. That's not just fewer than a regular EV. It's quarter of the parts you'd find in a typical car today. Fewer parts, fewer problems, fewer reasons to spend your life at the service center. No screen? Just use your phone. No stereo? That's what Bluetooth speakers are for. And if you want your truck in hot pink, go ahead. It's $500 for a wrap kit. And yes, you can do it yourself. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This truck still brings the essentials: steel frame, air conditioning, remote entry for safety, and yes, a real warranty. This thing is built to drive and survive. Now here's the plot twist. Originally, Slate teased a price below $20,000 with incentives. But with tax credits getting phased out, reality hits. The base price now starts in the mid-$20,000 range, still mind-blowingly cheap in today's EV market. And this isn't a fantasy. Production's set in Warsaw, Indiana, batteries from Georgia, and yes, they're profitable on every single unit, even the most basic one. So who's this truck for? Not your neighborhood tech bro flexing his Cybertruck, not a Hollywood millionaire sipping green juice. This truck is for real people, DIY warriors, young tradesmen, families on a budget, even retired folks tired of touchscreen overload. Slate isn't trying to win the future with lasers and autopilot dreams. They're winning the present by giving us something no one else will. A damn affordable electric truck. That actually makes sense. No screens, no nonsense. Just drive.